Hello everyone. Today we have lunch or I have lunch with my Filipina kababayan or Pinays na may asawang Pakistani or married to a Pakistani man. They're actually like a family to me here in Karachi City. Once in a while or once a week or once a month or two times a month, we are having lunch together. It's houses of each Filipinay or Filipina that are married to a Pakistani who are a friend of mine as well. Summer here in Pakistan and it's very hot. The house that I'm going to is just 5 minutes away from our place. So guys, ayan, nandito na ako. Grabe, late na ang lola nyo. Mga kapitbahay. Yan. Hay nako. Sigurado na kapag nakakain na sila. So, nandito na ako. See you. Stay tuned until the end. Ang hangin. Ang sarap ng hangin. Yan. Katok tayo. Tingnan natin kung sino ang magbubukas. Hello! Assalamualaikum! Hi baby! Kiss mo tita. Wow! Waalaikumsalam! How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine?
Yes,
Very good.
I come here very late. And master gave me.
Oh!
The
What's...
master started.
Oh, so nice!
He gave me.
Wala akong naintindihan.
Kill him at a game.
Oh my God! You kill it! OMG! Hi! Assalamualaikum! Ayan, grabe sila oh. Iniwanan na nila ako, inubos na nilang pagkain. Inubos na nilang inubos na nilang pagkain, ayan.
May video naman po, may video na para
naman yung biyanan niya muna inaluno.
Hindi po pwedeng lagi. Isang ano ba to? Watermelon na watermelon na may anemic. Matamis siya sa ito eh. Paka, doray, chicken.
May pusit pa ano ka?
May sabaw na sili na may manok.
may collagen.
Oo, collagen. Sinong gumawa ng ube? Kaya pala. Ebidensya yan oh, nagbalutan na.
Pagkakalit mo si Abin.
Ayan oh, ang mga nagbalot.
Talo yun.
Ang bilis nga eh. Yan, nasasabi ko eh. Ayan oh, may laban kayo. Di lahat na. Oh.
Ayaw mo pa?
Oo, tama. Lahatin mo na. Huwag ka nang mahiya. Yan. Balutin mo ako. Yan talaga ang nagpapasaya sa amin.
O iba pa yung ano?
Bagay. Ang ganda niya, no? Tingnan mo. I don't wanna talk about it. If I sing just a little bit longer. If I say you want to listen to my heart. If I stand all alone with a shadow, I'll let my heart do for the tears, and for the night, feel the stars in the sky, don't mean nothing to you, they're the mirror. I don't wanna talk about it. Have you broke my heart?
Ay, naku, mapapawasan tayo ng mga
If I stay here just a little
pero nag-enjoy kami ng bata.
Oo. I-enjoy pa.
Yan ang gawin mo.
Dito mo lang lalagyan. Tapos lagyan mo lang dyan. Pati yung takip. Hindi.
Hindi.
Kapag lagyan mo na dito yung gulay nila.
Yung takip dito.
Kasi yung takip na. O yung takip na. Hinahanap.
Ano yan? Ano to? Gusto ko itong ampalaya.
Ang palaya. Oy, ako nagluto niyan.
Ay, gusto. Dalhan mo nga. Bigyan mo nga ako niyang ampalaya. Oh, si Amir. Okay lang, hafiz guys. That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for the next video that I am going to upload. See you on my next video. Bye for now. This is Karachi City, Pakistan, and Karachi City is the largest city of Pakistan. This is just one part of Karachi City. On University Road, Gulshan-e Iqbal.